What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about a little Facebook hack with page post engagement and conversions.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So let me show you this little hack here. I found this out. I kind of got to walk you through the whole thing so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so when you go to set up an ad here, I'm in an ads manager, and just go into your campaign level, and you're going to create a new campaign, and we're going to go in and do an engagement campaign, like a page post engagement. Generally, you want to run like a page post engagement when you have like a new ad and you want to get some social shares and some likes and some comments going on it, so it's like legit, because post page engagement traffic is generally a lot cheaper than the conversion traffic. Now, when you go to set up this ad, I'm just going to do this real quick and not do a bunch of the targeting and whatnot, just for purposes of demonstration. I'm not actually going to launch this. I'm going to shut it off or delete it. So we're going to put Chicago 50 miles, okay, because that's where this event is. But again, I'm not going to launch this thing. I don't even know I'm doing it. So when you go down here to placements, I generally edit the placements and I take out everything except the news feed. Okay, that's not always the case. Sometimes I do run some Instagram or some desktop, but for the purpose of this demonstration, we're just going to run the news feed. Okay, so we've unchecked everything except the news feed for Facebook, and it's going to be on mobile. Okay, leave that off. And post engagement, that's what we're running. Okay, let's set the bid to $5 here, just in case this thing decides to turn on. And we're going to continue. All right, and what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you guys a little ninja trick here with, come on, slow Facebook here. There we go. All right, so when you go to find the page, you can click on this little arrow here to find the page. This one's going to be the Chicago NYE ball. So click on that, and we're going to do a, we're not going to select a post. We're actually going to do create a new page post. All right. Actually, we want to do create an ad. Sorry. Okay, we'll create an ad. We're going to do a single video, and then you're going to see what I'm talking about here, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's browse the library here. I already have a video that I've uploaded here, this clean one. I had to clean up the other one because there was girls, go-go dancers and body painted girls, and they didn't like that, didn't pass the Facebook test, okay? Customize the video here. You want to go ahead and pick a thumbnail. This is the one I'm using right now. This one's not half bad. It's a little bit alluring. It's kind of like the girls are, you can see that there's girls, but you can't really tell what's going on. So it's kind of intriguing. And that's the whole point of getting them to click on it, because there's an arrow, there's pretty girls in the background. So I think that was the best thumbnail that it let me use. Now here's the issue, okay? When you go to do a learn more button on here, okay, we're going to put a button, learn more. Notice that, and we got to put a URL here. We put the actual URL, just in case I decide to use this event down the road. All right, so this is my, oh, that's Halloween. We don't want that. We want manage events. It should give me the New Year's. There we go. This is Eventbrite, by the way. And Eventbrite gives us a link that we're going to use for our Facebook ads. This is kind of like our generic link. So we'll go in here, put that there. All right, and that's going to be the learn more button. Okay, notice here there's nothing here. It's just a gray area. Okay, now that's a problem. This is a NYE test ad test, and you can put some emojis or whatever. Okay, all right, so that is the problem. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is fix that problem. So I'm going to go ahead and everything else is, I'm just going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to confirm it, and I want to fix that. Okay, so what we need to do to fix that is we need to go in and create another conversion campaign. Okay, so I already created it here. Instead of going in and doing engagement in the beginning, the post page post engagement, you're going to do conversions. So basically, just to make sure you guys understand what I'm doing here, I can just do it. This is the conversion. Okay, so now we're going to go into a conversion campaign. Just leave it all that. You don't even have to do anything here. This is just so we get that copy we're looking for. Okay, so now here's what we're going to do. Since it's a conversion campaign, and we're going to use that same page. All right, Chicago NYE ball. I had to set this up multiple times last night because they didn't like my they didn't like my video at first, so I had to go in and fix that. So let's do a single video here, and we're going to add a video that I already have. Actually, no, that's not what we want. We want to go to Browse Library since the video is already in here. Boom. Okay, we're going to customize this video. We're going to select that thumbnail we like. Okay, and now we're going to be able to see here that because we're doing a conversion instead of a page post engagement, okay, we're going to put this Eventbrite logo, or this one here we want. So let's make sure that's right. All right, and then you're going to see here, because it's a conversion campaign, I can put the text, this is a test, and put an emoji so we know. Okay, and then you can actually type right in here. Notice how we have this is the copy we want. Okay, so notice how this is coming here. This is the copy we want. You can actually put emojis, whatever you want. Let's put a little helicopter or whatever. So now you see that's there. So that's what you want. You want to have that copy there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and confirm this. Okay. We found an error. Conversion. Oh, I forgot to select the conversion. It's got to be purchased. So we got to go back to the first page. And we're going to go back here. It's going to make you put it in right there. See that little red box? Boom. You got to just put purchase here. Okay. All right. So now the original ad is the one we want, the page post engagement, but we want it with that copy on the bottom. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and confirm this. So now we have a page post engagement set up, but we don't have that copy we want on the bottom of the ad. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this one off because we don't want to run this. Give it a second here. Facebook's being slow. There we go. So we're going to turn that off. And this engagement campaign, technically, we're going to turn off too because we're not actually going to run that. Oh, actually, is that the one we are running? I think that is the one I am running. Oops. Maybe not. I'll have to go and play around with it. Yeah. Let's take a look. Yeah, that is the one we are running. Okay, so that one is active, yes. Let's take a look. So we want to keep that one on. Okay, so this is the one that I am running right now. So here's the engagement one that we just set up. And then this is the conversion one that we just set up as well. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go into this thing. We're going to edit this, and you're going to see that, actually, we want to go into the ad set here, and we're going to edit this. Okay, so you're going to see this is the one we just did. This is the copy we want, okay? So what you need to do here, this is where the little ninja trick comes in. All right, you're going to click on this where it says Ad Preview, and you want to have that on, and you're going to click on this, and you're going to go Facebook Post with Comments, okay? And you're going to see here that there's a post here. This is a post ID, okay? You want to grab that. So click on this, boom. All right, you can close that out once you have that. And now we're going to go back into the page post engagement campaign, all right, which is this one. This is the one we want to go into. And we're going to go ahead and go to the ad for that campaign. And we're going to edit that. And you're going to see here, here's how we don't have the copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to just change this post out with this actual post. Okay, use existing post right here, enter post ID. Use existing post, enter post ID. Okay, paste that number you just grabbed, submit it, boom. There's the copy we want. And now you have a page post engagement ad with the copy you want down here. Okay? That's the trick. So thought you guys might like that one. That's a little hack. And it definitely is going to help with your conversions when you have copy down there. And I had to set this up a bunch of times last night. So anyway, hopefully you guys learned something today. And if you would, go ahead and leave me a comment below. If you do appreciate these videos, I do love it when you can share them and like them and tell your friends about this channel, because I'm going to keep bringing out some good content for you guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below as well. I'd like to welcome you to the channel. And go ahead and moon up those likes for me. I do appreciate it. And if you are not a subscriber, subscribe and bang the notifications bell for the next video. I'm the marketing meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.